Hello, this is a test. Let's see if we're actually recording, and let's see if the sound is good, and let's make sure the lighting works, and let's make sure the camera works.
That's funny.
Hello, my gal pals and my heart sisters. Lee Trevathan here. So I want to talk to you today about the kind of mask that I like to use. I have a bunch. It's not just one. But there is one that I really want to talk about because I just tried it. I've actually used it 2 times. Da da da! Zombie mask! Zombie mask. I know this is kind of an oldie, but I think it's a goodie. There's a lot of talk right now about the Hanicure, I believe it's called, mask. And I think that's probably really good. But I just want to say, I don't think it's very different from the zombie pack. Now, this is the zombie pack that has multiples in it. How many do I have in here? I believe it came with 8, I think. Let's double check it. Okay, this has egg powder in it, so you might want to be aware of that. Yeah, so this is an 8 pack. I'm going to put the link down below, by the way. And pore tightening and lifting pack, zombie pack. You have 2 components of this. I'm probably telling you stuff you already know. And my hubby's going to freak out because this is making noise on the microphone, and he's a sound guy, so he's probably freaking out over there. So just like the Hanicure, you have these little packs. You separate them and you open one side. In fact, I believe it's that side. And then you have a second stage that goes in. That's this little guy. This is, I don't even know what to call this. I guess on the Hanicure it's called a gel, but this isn't so much like a gel. This is just like a liquid. And you just, make sure it's all really mixed together before you mix it in. You open up the little bit and you pour it in there. And then, sorry honey, gotta make noise. So you open up this little side right here. See how it kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Peels away. And then you just put your hand here and you just shake, 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 shake. You just amuse yourself. You just shake, shake, shake around. And as long as you don't spill it, what you have when you pull this back is a sort of a, I wouldn't call it a gel. It's a thick liquid, but I would not call it a gel. So apparently the Hanicure is a gel. Now the big difference between this, and those of you who know me know how unbelievably cheap I am. Honey, what's the word you use?
Frugal.
Frugal. My honey's so nice. He calls me frugal instead of cheap. I'm really cheap, but that's okay. We'll call frugal. So this 8 pack, I believe, like I said, I'll put the link down below, at Amazon, maybe 1/10 the price of Hanicure. The same thing, the Hanicure, when I checked, it was about $230 for 8. I can promise you, this is nowhere near that. I believe I got that entire package on a special deal for probably under $20. I did do it twice. I am super happy with it. It's really weird because you feel like you can't breathe or move. It's like your face freezes. I was trying to laugh because I put it on, I turned the TV on, and there was something really funny on, and I was laughing. It was coming out like, like I was crying or moaning. So I do, oh, hang on.
So basically, you're putting epoxy on your face.
It is kind of like that. It is. Now, it is really kind of tricky to rinse off. So what I've been doing is I do it right before I'm going to get in the shower. Because then I can really rinse it off, and then I can use my little scrubber, at the very end. But my skin comes out stunning. Absolutely clean, plump, beautiful, healthy. I felt like doing a happy dance. I think I did do a happy dance, but I really like it. So that's one I recommend. I think we talked, yes, I know we talked in another video about my old standby. I buy this in bulk. Again, I'll put a link down below. This is the Freeman product. This is a cucumber peel. It is a mask that you leave on, let it dry, and again, your face, you look like you're 15. Everything tightens up, and you just wish you could just freeze it like that, but you can't. So this is a great one for just purifying, and I use this about 4 times a week, especially if I've done, say like an AHA, or I did a chemical peel or something like that. The last bit of that, I will use this just to get the extra skin off. My vitamin C sometimes will make me peel a little bit. I use this next day, and it's all gone, and it's gorgeous. So I'm loving that. And I confess to a little obsession I have. I probably need an intervention. I am addicted for the last 20 to 30 years, probably more like 30, to these little face masks that you can get from Asia. Get them from China, get them from Japan. I think I've gotten them from even Thailand. I've got tons of them. And I use them like I've got royal jelly. I've got collagen. This is my favorite one. I'm going to make noise, honey. I've got stem cell. I buy the bulk. Placenta. Well, that's real groovy. Pearl. Are you getting excited over there, honey? Always have extra collagen. And then I do a cucumber mask, face mask like this. That's not a peel off. And then I will do the peel off first, and then I'll do this just to really get in there. Let's see what else we got. Coenzyme 10. Snail. Gotta have lots of snail. Kind of gross. And this is a vitamin mask. It's like a combination of different citrus. And then, you know how I love my aloe. I grow them, I love them, I use them every day. Internally, externally, everywhere. Aloe. Gotta have my aloe mask. And when I'm done with this, I actually let it completely dry, and then I take my aloe from my little farm out here and cut it open, and I put the fresh aloe over the top to kind of seal it all in. So what I want to say about these things, let me see. Let me get this guy. It has a little spot at the top where you can tear it open. I cut it on the top, and I cut it on the side. And when I have the mask off, after it's all soaked in, you can really feel it soaking in, you're always going to have extra product. So I take that extra product and I put it around my eyes. I put it all down here. I put it on the back of my hands. I put it on my arms. I even sometimes like put it on my belly. I put it on my legs. You always have the extra product. And I just want to say, don't waste it, because it's really great stuff. It is a good collagen, and why not use it, right? So my last little mask that I've recently discovered, after my daughter made fun of me for not using it, is this black charcoal mask. You can get this in a tube. You can get it in the little tub like I've got here. Let's see, what did I pay for this? I'm not sure. I'll have to put the link down below. This one is called To Lily. And this comes from Asia. It's a bamboo charcoal mask, and apparently that bamboo part's really important because that helps strengthen the stem cells of your body. Let's see, to clean and unclog pores, discharge of dirt, skin perfectly clear and clean. That is a fact. This is a deep, deep cleanser. I've always had an issue with pores on my nose from being a kid, growing up in Missouri and playing in the dirt and just not knowing properly, was never taught. I was raised by my dad mostly, and I just wasn't taught how to properly clean my face, and I ended up with these pores. And then as I was modeling later on and they put all the product on, some of it was really heavy stuff, and it just enlarged the pores. This actually got everything out of the pores of my nose. How great is that? So I wanted to introduce you to some of those. I am going to be having a free giveaway. I will be giving away some of the masks. I'll do probably a 2-pack. And if you subscribe within the next month, and you'll see the date that this goes up, so you'll know whether it's within a month when you see this video. If you subscribe within a month and you write in the comment line, "I subscribed," you'll go into the drawing to get a set of some of the face masks. They're not peel off. You just put them on. As they dry, it takes 15, 20, I leave them on actually 30 minutes sometimes. And they dry and they just, they're wonderful. Sometimes I even cut them up and I put them like underneath here and in this area too. So just wanted to share that with you guys today. And I want to say, please go down below and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you get constant updates. I'm working on having my presence here and supporting we women of a certain age. And just loving ourselves and just enjoying life. And I know I'm going to get questions about the hair. Yeah, it is my bio hair. And yeah, it's a hot mess today, but that's okay because I'm doing another video in a little while that has to do with my wigs on Wednesday. So guess what? I didn't care. How bad is that? My hubby's going, "Oh, I look okay to me." You like this?
Ooh, yeah.
You know what this look is called?
Mm.
The just got out of bed.
Well, no wonder.
You're so funny. Okay. He's back there. He's like, "You're such a goof boy." You do realize I'm
Yeah.
old.
Oh. Mm.
63.
Yes, Grandma.
Anyway, all silliness aside, my husband's purple. You're beyond red. You're purple. Are you okay?
No.
Do you
Hyperventilating.
Do you want to apologize?
No.
I didn't think you would. So until next time, love yourselves. Bye. Be sure you go down there and subscribe.